Hello guys, this is a review of my Citizen NY0040, the ProMaster diver watch. And to be honest, I've been waiting so long before I bought this watch in this summer, in the middle of the summer this year. And I don't know why, but yeah, for me this one is the quintessential diver watch design, along with maybe the Seiko Turtle, the 6309, but they both have some similarities. And yeah, for me this one is the one of the quintessential diver watch designs. And if you look at it, you can see nothing. There is nothing fancy about it. The design, nothing unnecessary. So yeah, just a proper tool watch, purposely made for diving. And I love the idea that this one is just nothing more, just a proper watch, proper diver watch. And yeah, I had a trip to Turkey, Istanbul, 2 weeks ago, and I've been wearing this watch every single day because I didn't bring another watch there, just the NY0040, and I tested the accuracy and the lume. The lume is absolutely amazing. I didn't even have to charge it up just by wearing during the day. The day is there. It charge the lume on the sunlight, and the lume lasts all night long. So every time I woke up in the middle of the night, I see the time correctly. So yeah, the lume is excellent on this one, and the accuracy is also surprisingly good. So usually it gains 6 seconds per day, but Turkey is 1 hour ahead where I am living. So when I'm arrived to Istanbul, I had to set the time 1 hour ahead. So I set it accurately, and when I came back 1 week later, the watch only gains 15 seconds. So the accuracy is much more better if you wear it for a couple of days straight as your only watch. So yeah, the accuracy is excellent too. Unfortunately, I managed to put some hair scratches there at the security gate in the airport. So, but nothing serious. The watch is still in mint condition, so it survived the trip. And yeah, something about the dimensions. The watch is 41 or 41.5 millimeters in diameter, 47.5 millimeters lug to lug. The thickness is 12.5 millimeters, and it has an awesome 20 millimeters lug width. So you can easily change the straps. Maybe not that easily because there is no drilled lug holes, but there is so much options you can choose from. The watch originally came on this pretty plasticky and bulky strap, but it gave the watch that proper diver or a proper tool watch look. Every time I wear this watch on this strap, I had a feeling that I just came back from diving or some water sports activities. Yeah, it's a fun feeling, but yeah, for everyday use, I prefer it on this Tropic silicone strap. This one is from Wolle. It's a cheap Tropic strap, but gave the much vintage vibe, and it's much more elegant on a daily basis to wear on this strap. Yeah, so the dimensions are not too big for a diver watch, but if you have a lot of 36 millimeters watches, like let me show you some of my collection. So yeah, if you look at this, yeah, 36 or 37 millimeters in diameter, these watches, and even this one is so much smaller. So if you wear this watch in rotation, and for example, this one is under 40 millimeters in diameter, and don't know, 44 lug to lug. So yeah, if you wear it in rotation with these watches, the dimensions feels big on my wrist. So let me put this on. I have a 6.7 inch wrist. As you can see, it looks okay, completely normal. I have no problem wearing it, but I always have a feeling that this one is my biggest watch, so it looks big. But my eyes are adapt the size of this watch pretty easily, so there is no problem there. Okay, so this watch, this Citizen NY0040 has the upgraded movement. Yeah, the Myota 8204 movement with the hacking and the hand winding, so it can hex. Let me show you quickly. So unscrew the crown, and the second position, you can see it's running, and yeah, it hacks. And it's a pretty useful feature to set it accurately. So yeah, and you can wind it in this reverse direction. I don't know, but there are some quality difference between the Seiko movements, the 4R36, and between this 8204 Iota. So first the day change is has a pretty clicky feeling. Feels like you have to use some force to change the day. You can also hear it. It's pretty loud, and also, but I have no real problem with it. Just the difference between the two. This one is so much smoother. You can change the day or date just by using your finger like this undercut operation with the crown. So the other thing is the rotor noise is pretty loud, and let me try it, screw it down. So the rotor noise is loud, and it also has some resonate on the watch case. So it's like you wearing a washing machine or something, and yeah, you can wash your pants here, your underwears. So yeah, it has some vibration or resonation to the watch case. The rotor is so much louder than these Seiko movements. Some other QC issues is yeah, there is a misalignment there. You can see just a hair difference between the marker and the chapter ring, but yeah, there are some misalignment, and yeah, and also some play between the bezel and the case, and you can hear it. It's pretty clicky. This side is yeah, only this side has some play. The other sides are okay. Not a big problem, and it's not a very expensive watch. So as a tool watch, which made purposely, it's acceptable for me. So the bezel action is, you have to use to the 60 click bezel action, but it's not that bad. I'm quite used to it, and for now I think I like it. And I missed so much opportunity to time things with this bezel in Turkey, Istanbul, And yeah, some other thing, I use this friction fit bezel more often on this Seiko 5 Sports. I don't know why, but I can time my dog walking. So I'm walking my dog, and I always time how much time I spend with my dog. And it's so much easier because it's a bi-directional bezel. So much easier to set it like this, and it's also pretty stable. There is no play on this bezel of the Citizen. There is no play, but there is some play. You can see no back play, but it's not stays on the position. So there are some play here, but it's pretty minimal. So I'm not worried about that. So what else? I also love this case back. It's pretty simple. It's clean looking. Looks like some spare tire on a 50s Cadillac or something. This design it's a pretty fun design, I think. So yeah. So overall, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Nowadays I wear frequently these two watches, and it's very hard to decide between them. I love them equally. Maybe it's much more casual watch. This Seiko 5 Sports. This one is very sporty, so much sportier. So yeah, and yeah, finally some lume shot, because it has an upgraded lume, better than the previous versions of this NY0040. So I close the video with a lume shot. So come with me to my secret lume test lab. So yeah, look at this. Try to focus, but yeah, pretty awesome lume. Not sure you can see it, but it's out of focus, but you got the idea. It's pretty visible, and the lume lasts all night long, so you can see it in the morning as well. Yeah, now it's focusing. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.